How to activate RBS Royal Bank of Scotland credit card online. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. If you are looking to activate your new credit card online, in this video, I'm going to guide you through the process. Your new Royal Bank of Scotland credit card is already activated and ready for you to use. To start using contactless, you will first need to buy something using chip and PIN or take out cash from an ATM. This will activate the contactless functionality, and every so often, the bank is going to ask you for your PIN as extra security. If you are receiving a new card because your existing one is about to expire or it is a replacement credit card, you should not need to activate it unless you are receiving a replacement PIN. Now, if you face any difficulty while activating a new credit card online, you can contact the customer support of the bank. You can also contact Cora, which is a digital assistant. It is available in the mobile app, digital banking, or the website. All you need to do is click on the Chat to Cora option on the website. Then over here on the text box, you have to enter your query or issue. Then the digital assistant is going to help you according to your problem, and that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.